It's quite a long text. I agree. And for us to know if we really understand, they gave us questions which we are going to answer in English. That means for you to answer these questions correctly in English, you must have understood the text. And that is what we are going to try and do, so that if we encounter a problem, we are going to look at it. Ça va?
Oui.
So, trouve le français. Find the French. Nancy, tell us one young person in two, where we find this sentence. Yeah, it should be un jeune sur deux. That is one young person in two. Wamboy, tu es là?
Je suis ici.
So a few weeks later, where do you find that sentence on the text?
Quelques semaines plus tard.
Oui, quelques semaines plus tard. Quelques semaines plus tard. Yeah, that means a week later. Also do number 3, one boy. The longest day.
La journée la plus longue.
Très bien. La journée la plus longue. This is what we call the superative case. The superative, that is the longest day. We shall learn that as we do comparison. OK, maintenant, c'est Nancy. Prenez numéro 4, s'il vous plaît.
A very large cultural event. Une très grande manifestation culturelle.
Oui, une très grande manifestation culturelle. You can take it again, Nancy. Une très grande manifestation culturelle.
Une très grande manifestation culturelle.
Oui, une très grande manifestation culturelle. People make music everywhere. Wamboy.
On fait de la musique partout.
Oui, on fait de la musique partout. So partout means everywhere, partout. Okay, merci. All the concerts are free. Nancy.
Tous les concerts sont gratuits.
Oui, tous les concerts sont gratuits. Gratuit, that is for free. Any questions so far? Good. Let us first of all do part B. Then we are going to generalize. If we have any problem, we'll look at it. Tu comprends? Do you understand? Let us see. What prompted Maurice Fleuret to organize the first Fête de la musique in 1982, Amboy? In English.
I want to say because the youth in France didn't play music instruments.
Actually, what prompted Mr. Fleuret, he noticed that one young person in two in France play a music instrument. Yeah, that one youth in two play a music instrument. That is why he made this Fête de la musique.
Oui.
Okay, let us now hear from Nancy. On what date is it held and what's significant about this date?
June 21st.
Good.
That's the day of summer solstice, which is the longest day in the northern hemisphere.
Yes, which is the longest day. By the way, on the 21st of June is the first day of summer. They call it the music day in France. So they celebrate a lot. On that, I do number 3, mention 2 outdoors places and 2 indoor places where music making takes place. Or one boy.
In the streets and in the parks and in public gardens. Also in cafes, in theaters, in schools, in churches.
Okay, merci. Nancy, about how many countries organize a similar fête?
More than 100 countries around the world in Europe, South America, and Africa.
Good. What is an important principle of the Fête, Wambui?
That all the concerts are free for the public?
Yes, and it's music by the people for the people.